Welcome to SIP9 for everyone. At ang i-discuss natin ngayon ay ang inverse ng isang function. Isa na siguro to sa mga topics kung saan maraming nalilito ang mga estudyante at pati na rin yung mga nagtuturo, nalilito sila sa inverse of a function. The inverse of a function f is the relation, in-underline ko talaga para ma-emphasize na ang inverse ng isang function ay isang relation, not necessarily a function also, is the set of points x, y such that x equal to f of y. Okay, so bago natin intindihin itong relation na yan, emphasize ko ulit, the inverse of a function does not have to be a function also. Okay, so intindihin na natin ito. So, mas madaling intindihin, sabi ko kapag meron tayong example, what is the inverse of the function f of x equal to x squared? So, yung inverse of f is the set of ordered pairs, yung relation, diba ang relation is just a set of ordered pairs. The set of ordered pairs x, y such that x equal to f of y. So, lahat ng x dito, papalitan mo lang ng y. So, f of y is y square. At ito na yung tawag dito, inverse ni f. At pag ginraph mo tong x equal to y square, you can actually use a graphing calculator to verify na ito nga yung graph niyan. Pero hindi yun ang lesson natin. Hindi graphing ang lesson natin dito. Ang lesson natin dito is inverse of a function. Okay, so ito yung graph ng x equal to y square, something like that. And what can you say about this red graph? Itong x equal to y squared, does it represent a function? Paano natin malalaman from the graph kung ang set of points ay isang function or not? Papadaan ka ng vertical line. If the vertical line intersects the graph in at most one point, then you have a function. Kung more than once, hindi siya function, relation lang. So in this case, padaan tayo ng vertical line, nag-intersect sa 2 points, so ibig sabihin, itong relation na to is not a function. So ibig sabihin, relation lang siya. So which is not a function. Okay. So feeling ko, mapapaisip na kayo ngayon. Kailan kaya function ang inverse ng isang function? Ayan. When is the inverse of a function if also a function? Magiging function ang inverse ng isang function if the given function is 1-to-1. So that is the inverse of f is also a function when f is 1-to-1. So nakalagay sa remark natin yun, nakapula kasi gusto talaga nating i-emphasize na 1-to-1 yung function. So yung makukuha mong inverse niya, ito is also a function. Okay, so itong nire-represent nito is a function. Pag kinolekta mo lahat ng points na yan, nagpadaan ka ng vertical line, isang beses na lang mai-intersect yung graph. Yun ay kapag f of x is 1-to-1. So itong definition na to, actually hindi siya masyadong intuitive, hindi siya masyadong pang high school. That's why we have an equivalent definition. So this is a reformulation of the definition. Ito na yung definition ng inverse ng 1-to-1 function. Take note, itong definition will only work for 1-to-1 function. Kaya meron tayong video tungkol sa mga 1-to-1 function kasi dito natin sila kailangan. The inverse of a 1-to-1 function f, denoted by f inverse. So yung pangalan ng inverse ni f is f inverse. Hindi yan f raised to negative 1 ha, ang basa dyan. F inverse. notasyon lang yan. Pwede tayong gumamit ng ibang letra dyan to denote the inverse, pero ito yung napili nila. Okay? Is a function such that, so function lang siya, ang pangalan is f inverse, such that, pag pinasok mo yung f mo doon sa f inverse, makukuha mo si x. Tapos yung x, kailangan pasok doon sa domain ni f kasi yung x mo dadaan muna doon sa f. That's why we have this. And, ito pa yung kailangan na isa pa masatisfy, yung f ng f inverse ng x is x. For all x na nandun sa domain ng f inverse kasi x mo ipapasok mo muna sa f inverse. So basically, etong f tsaka f inverse, parang nagkokontrahan lang sila. So kuwari meron akong f of x, tapos in-apply ko yung f inverse, parang kukontrahin ni f inverse yung ginawa ni f kay x, kaya x na lang yung makukuha mo. At ganun din, kuwari I have f inverse of x, in-apply ko yung f, so yung ginawa ni f inverse kay x, kukontrahin ng f. That's why makukuha ko ay x na lang. And ito yung domain and range ng f inverse natin or nung inverse nung function natin. Diba ang ginagawa lang natin based on sa totoong definition niya, pinagpapalit lang natin yung x and y. That's why yung domain ng f inverse is the range of your original function. And the range of your f inverse is the domain ng original function f mo. So, pinagbabaliktad mo lang yung domain and range. So, yung domain ni f inverse, range ni f inverse, domain ni f, range ni f, mabaliktarin mo daw. Tama ba yung drawing ko? Ayan, parang ganyan lang. Okay? So, ang tanong, kapag binigyan ka ng isang one-to-one function, paano mo hahanapin yung inverse ng function na yon? Ito na yung kasagutan sa ating katanungan. So, how to find the inverse of a one-to-one function f of x? So, kunyari, f is one-to-one. Okay, so ang given sa iyo, y equal to f of x. So, the first step is to interchange the roles of x and y. So, makukuha mo x equal to f of y, which is this one. Actually, itong equation na to, dinidefine niya na yung inverse function f inverse mo implicitly. And ano yung next step? You solve for y in terms of x, kung posible lang naman, to obtain the explicit form of f inverse. So, yung makocompute mong y, yun na yung f inverse natin. And you can check the result by showing that f inverse of x is x, yung composition ni f inverse, tsaka yung f inverse f of x is x, yung composition ni f inverse tsaka ni f. Let us apply what we have learned or discussed sa mga examples na ito. Let us find the inverse of the following function. We have two functions in here. So let's do a first, one at a time. So anong gagawin? Interchange the roles of x and y. So ito yung y natin. So ang kailangan mo, x equal to f of y. So y, gagawin mo siyang x. So x is equal to 3y minus 1 over y plus 5. Okay, so you can verify that these functions are one-to-one, ha? And then you solve for y. Cross multiply, denominator nito is 1. We get x times y plus 5 equal to 3y minus 1. Distribute, xy plus 5x is equal to 3y minus 1. Sinusolve natin si y, kailangan ma-isolate yung y sa isang side. Lagay na lang natin sa left lahat ng may y. Tapos itong 5x lagay natin sa kanan. xy minus 3y equal to negative 5x minus 1. Sinusolve natin si y, factor natin si y para ma-isolate siya. Negative 5x minus 1, and then divide both sides by x minus 3. So y is equal to negative 5x minus 1 divided by x minus 3. So ito na yung f inverse. So therefore, f inverse yung nandito. So kayo na lang mag-check na tama yung sagot, ha. Gawin nyo ito. Gagawin natin to sa letter B kasi medyo mahaba-haba yung A, no? Baka maubos yung oras natin. Okay, sa letter B, we have this function, f of x equal to x square. Sasabihin ninyo, ay, hindi naman 1-to-1 yung, yung x square, sabi natin sa simula nung video nung 1-to-1 function. Pero, meron kasi itong restriction na x greater than equal to 0. Ang ginagawa ng function mo, sa x, ini-square niya, pero valid lang daw yun kapag yung x mo ay greater than or equal to 0. Kapag ginraph mo tong function na to, okay, so, diba ang graph ni y equal to x square? Itong pula. Okay, something pa ganyan si y equal to x square yan. Pero ang pinapagraph natin sa atin, y equal to x square but x is greater than or equal to 0. So, magkaibang function yun. So, ibig sabihin, yung graph niyan ay yan lang. Kasi you want your x's to be greater than equal to 0. Ito yung mga greater than equal to 0 na x's. Ibig sabihin yung portion lang na yun yung kukunin mo. And that function is 1-to-1 using the horizontal line test. Okay, sige nga. From the graph, hanapin natin yung domain. So, yung domain ng f mo is yung x greater than equal to 0 or the set of x na real numbers such that x is greater than equal to 0. Or kung gusto mo naka-interval notation, 0 to infinity. Pareha lang yon. Both answers are correct. So, ito yan. At ang range niya yung set of y values. Pag pinroject mo yung graph mo sa y-axis, which is the set of y such that y is greater than equal to 0, which is the same as 0 to infinity. Interval na to 0 to infinity. Okay, so hanapin na natin yung inverse. So, anong gagawin? Si-switch mo lang yung roles ni x at y. So, magkakaroon ka ng x equal to y square. And then, solve for y. Ang magsi-square root ng both sides, no? Yes, so ang iisipin nyo dito ay y is equal to plus minus the square root of x. Okay? Ganyan siya. So, ang tanong, ano yung pipiliin ninyo, yung plus or yung minus? Kailangan isa lang kasi yung binigay na function sa'yo, 1-to-1. Titignan mo yung domain ng original. So, yung domain ng original is 0 to infinity, non-negative yon. Yung domain ng original is yung range ng inverse. Yung range, it refers to the y values of your function. So, yung mga y values nitong inverse, yung nasa domain nito. So, yung domain mo, non-negative. So, dapat itong mga y mo, non-negative. Kaya, ang pipiliin mo yung plus. So, plus, tapos itong square root na negative. Yung plus square root is non-negative yon. So, therefore, y is square root of x. Lagyan natin ng dahilan by star. So, therefore, f inverse of x is square root of x. And let us check our answer. So, ano ang f ng f inverse of x? This is, ano ba yung f of x natin? X square. So, isa-square mo raw yung inverse. Square natin si inverse. Kasi mamaya na. Ayan. What is f inverse square root of x? Which is x. What is f inverse of f of x? Okay. So, this is f inverse ng x square. So, which is square root ng x square. Pinalitan ko lang ito ng square. Ito, maraming nadadali dito, ha. Ito, take note. Okay. So, ang square root ni x square, ito yung totoo. Absolute value ni x yan, square root ni x square, absolute value ni x. So, ang lalabas dito, absolute value of x. Pero pag ganyan, saan nang gagaling yung mga x mo? Sa domain ni f. Pero sa domain ni f, what can you say? Ang laman niya, non-negative yung x mo. That's why, kapag kinuha may absolute value ng non-negative number is just itself. So, ang dahilan dito is ang domain ni f is 0 to infinity. So, ibig sabihin yung x na to, nasa 0 to infinity. Pag ginawa may absolute value yun, it's just x. Okay, so na-check na natin na tama yung mga sagot natin. At dyan nagtatapos ang ating talakayan tungkol sa inverse functions. Susunod nating video, gagamitin ulit natin to kasi papunta na tayo sa exponential functions at logarithmic functions. Kung nagustuhan nyo naman ang ating episode for today, don't forget to like, subscribe, at i-on nyo na rin yung notification bell at i-share nyo sa classmates ninyo. Goodbye and take care!